Hamida Khatun. These are my team members Al Zahra, Aisha Rasi. We are here to present a Bluetooth controlled car. Now, let's explain our project. This is a Bluetooth controlled car. It works using a mobile phone and a Bluetooth module. We can send commands like forward, backward, left, right from the mobile.
The Bluetooth module receives the signal and sends it to the Arduino. The Arduino controls the motors and moves the car.
Components used: Arduino Uno, it controls the whole system. Bluetooth module, it receives commands from mobile. Motor driver, it drives the motor. DC motors and wheels, movement of the car. Battery, jumper wires and chassis. Thank